like days a week.
But it'd be, and the audio is so weird in Siege. Sometimes I feel like that'd be worse than if it was a little bit, who knows?
But yeah, tomorrow is my birthday. Usually it's my Monday. But
All those people
I
in
didn't go
Denver's.
to the gym today. Tomorrow.
Katie, just
Ouch.
FYI, you don't ever need to reinforce this.
Thanks.
Because they can't get in there, so it doesn't
I
really matter.
appreciate that. I didn't know. Ah!
Also, see, those aren't that big a deal, but never that one next to you, because you can make a rotate there.
Gotcha.
Get ready.
Ow! Oh my god. Oh no. I have the worst kids. The hiccups.
Katie, you good?
Ow!
My ping, ignore that ping.
Ow, it hurts so bad.
Oh god, that sounds bad.
Oh.
Yep, they're out.
It hurts.
One's coming in. The room next to drum. Yep.
It hurts so bad.
Drum.
Help.
Yeah. That's either at. I can't tell who it is. It looks like at, maybe.
Oh my god. Help. So.
Fucking little red hiccups over here.
Ow. This is
Yeah,
what
there's two in drum.
Oh,
I'm watching the door.
Okay. They're spotting me.
And I'm dead. Zafia down in the bar. Okay, it's the one who's most likely hacking. She jumped off from and shot me. Even though there was no chance to see me.
Well, I got her.
Good. Be right back.
I'm just listening to these very unique noises coming from me.
I got a bunch of them. Just one more. It's on the other side, Katie. She has defused. Oh no.
Is there like I'm gonna watch her aim jump every time she hiccups?
let me listen, you fucks.
Oh my.
Hold on. I'll let you know if she comes out, but she's probably gonna plant in there. She's droning you. You might want to move. She's gonna whooping you. There's a hole behind you. Don't get in front of it. She's breaching the wall? Oh no.
No.
Failed. All friendlies have been neutralized.
People are playing
This
so
donation should scare the hiccups out of you.
weird. Why did all four of them rush me like that? Like,
Ow!
one at a time?
Ow!
That's bad, and I'm not used to that lately.
I'm sorry I'm laughing, but I feel like you're gonna turn into a werewolf in a second.
Ow!
Okay, I'm gonna go take a piss during drone phase.
Oh shit, who am I gonna be?
I'm gonna try IQ again.
Is she dying?
She has hiccups and she can't stop them.
Oh, hold your breath.
Take a really deep breath.
I'm trying.
Breath and hold and then hold it for 30 seconds.
I'm like trying to brace myself on my chair. Oh.
They are.
I think they're kitchen again.
Yeah, they're not.
Jade was up in Geisha.
10 seconds
Yeah.
before insertion.
Yeah, he's still in. He's coming down quickly.
Insertion in 5 seconds.
Right, I'm going in hot.
The diffuser has been secured. A
Which means I'm
bomb
probably
must
gonna go in
be
and die
located
immediately
and
because
defused.
their Ella is gonna murder me.
Yeah, probably. I mean, kill that bitch. Wait, where are they?
Someone.
They're
Help.
Okay.
Dude, what the fuck? Die! Wow.
Echoes.
Yeah, he's
What's
got
going on over
5.
there?
I don't know. Waiting for me. He's got 5 HP.
I'm so like close to throwing up. Like I feel like
That's
one.
gonna help our
I
situation.
feel like one hiccup. One hiccup is gonna be like the
Why are they shooting out the
the
fucking
death of me.
windows?
Oh, there's someone in the delivery room? Not like for babies,
Who
but
am
where all the
I?
kids are.
They're done.
You know what
Not
I'm
like
talking
for
about?
babies. I love it.
You know what I'd mean, like the room with all the kegs in
Yeah,
it,
I
and
know.
crates, or the pallets.
Who?
That's funny.
Who am I? I'm sorry, you can't break that.
Yeah, hiccup it open.
That drone throw didn't work.
I hear someone. Y'all, I'm not even kidding. These hurt.
All right. Mozzie.
Go get a drink, you savage.
Sorry, where's Mozzie?
I don't,
You
Bomb has been located.
I don't have anything to drink.
Okay.
Bitch, I hear you.
Located a bomb.
Somebody just broke out somewhere.
All right. That ping is Mozzie. He's on. Fire.
Okay. Come on, somebody get hit down. Yeah, he's on the stairs. He's trying to hit you. Don't worry about it.
My name's Buck, and I'm ready to.
Bitch! Frost is
We're
behind the bar.
Small bar. Yeah, the small bar. And restaurant.
You have dropped the diffuser.
Wow.
What? I didn't even see where that came from.
There for too long. It's a rip.
Okay.
It's like they knew not to beat those windows.
Yeah. One of them is shady.
15 seconds remaining. Down to
Yeah,
one friendly.
okay.
10 seconds.
What a headshot. Oh, I hit him too.
All friendlies have been eliminated.
Heads are
Just
cut,
fixing
shut you.
The best Siege has to offer tonight.
Wow. Oh, you don't have water you can go drink?
No. California's coming out of a drought. They're trying to deal with that right now.
It's just powder comes out. Yeah.
Yo.
It just goes.
It's a very real thing.
Okay, kid. I need a minute.
Go fix yourself.
Fix myself. I'm not broken.
You need to be real. You
You're
need to
not
be
broken.
rebooted
You
or
are
something.
broken.
No. Don't let her believe anything else. She's broken.
That's what I'm saying.
100% broke.
Broken.
I feel like we need to put a cartoon style, just put like a plunger in your face. And just like hit it a few times, like
Fixed.
Until she gets a collapsed lung.
It is. Got to take a big ass drink of like. So,
No, she's
soda
just.
or
I think she's
something.
just throwing up under her desk now.
I'm waiting for her to be like, oh good, there's just an alien parasite in there, but we can go now.
Why do people watch this bot play JW? What's JW?
Just wondering. Hey man, fuck you, bitch. Stupid. That's just wondering.
Fuck boy.
I mean, negative KDR is better than the negative dick size.
No. I mean, unless you're a girl, then you should
Toggles
probably
orange.
have negative dick size, but that's another story. All right, we won't
Hey,
get
that's
into
what
that.
I'm just glad I'm not like 15 anymore. That would suck. Poor guy.
Hey, even when I was 15, I wasn't that big of a loser.
I mean,
A
I was
little
more
bit.
of a
When
loser
I-
then, that's for sure.
When I was 15, I was a loser, so I feel for you, buddy. You know, we were once at the same point.
Man, that dude, all his friends on the incel forums are gonna love him so much now. Fucking incel douchebags.
Dude, that's like one of the most toxic communities out there.
It's the most toxic community. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, I'm always sure. Well, I'm sure there's probably more toxic than that. There's always more toxic
Then what?
Incels.
Oh yeah.
I think fucking like neo Nazis are probably more toxic than they are.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, neo-Nazis don't hate like half of all people.
Well, true.
Incels just hate all women because they're too big of losers to ever, you know, date
Yeah.
anybody.
Respect women. Or no. Jesus.
Welcome back. Hiccups McGee.
Oh my god. Dude, I can't make them go away. Okay. Those who know.
Do you have peanut butter?
Yeah. Those
You
who
have to
know
hear me.
me.
You're gonna have to hear me out on this. You just
Spoon.
go grab a spoonful of peanut butter. As dumb as it sounds.
That was a good one.
Trust me. Go grab yourself a spoonful of peanut butter.
Someone send help. I'm snorting and hiccuping.
All right, Katie. Here you go.
Oh, make it stop.
This is from Google. 8 things to make you.
Spoonful of peanut butter.
There you
Okay.
go. Just you gotta have one of those.
Okay. Why is it gonna be warm water?
I don't
What's
know.
wrong with warm water?
Okay. Suck on an ice
Worst
cube.
thing ever. Warm
I
water.
can't suck on anything because if I hiccup, then I'm just gonna choke on it.
Then you won't be hiccuping anymore.
She can't suck on anything because then she'll choke.
All right. I need some alone time.
Yeah, I was legit gonna say be right back. But I can't get it
Hey,
downstairs.
good news, Katie. If you're stuck like this forever, some people are into that.
That car chose the wrong time to try to get up.
So,
He goes to get up and you just hear.
I'm gonna throw up. If the hiccups don't stop, I'm gonna throw up.
Go grab a spoonful of peanut butter.
I'm gonna go grab some peanut butter. I'll be right back.
It's what to eat,
I'm
but
gonna-
not grab it.
Okay. I'm gonna grab it and then eat it.
Hey, machine.
Yeah.
Who the fuck is Yellow Finger High Self or whatever his name is?
Who?
I don't know. He keeps on showing up at the fucking woods, the swamp. This fucking pisses me off. I thought he was an NPC, but I think he's an actual player, and he keeps invading.
Oh. You're talking about Dark Souls. I was so fucking confused.
Yeah, no, this dude keeps on invading
out of
me.
nowhere.
I was
This
like,
is not about
showing
Shrek
up at
Swamp
what
for a
swamp?
second.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, is Wiz trying to make a joke and he's just not good at it right now?
No. No, this motherfucker keeps invading my fucking my place, and his name is like Yellow Finger High Self, and I'm just like, hey man, how's it going? Like all nice, and then
Oh
he's just
yeah. He's a bitch. You just gotta kill him.
so he's not an actual player, like he's not.
Yeah, I think he's an NPC.
Oh, thank the Lord, because I was cursing so much when I saw him. Like I just like I told him to like fuck his mama and shit. Like.
This is talking shit to
Oh
NPCs.
shit, I dropped it
I was
on my
so
desk.
angry. I was so angry. That motherfucker killed me like one too many times, and I was pissed.
We heard you in there beating your utensil drawer.
Fucking A.
I wasn't beating it.
Yeah,
It's
I use
okay
that
if you
excuse
were.
all the time.
So is there a trick to this? Like you just gotta eat it all at the same time, or is just peanut
You
butter
just gotta
itself?
eat it. You just gotta eat that spoonful.
Nothing like some good nut butter to get rid of the hiccups.
I was gonna wait till after to make that comment, but you know.
No, you weren't.
Hey,
Machine's
that's
the
fine.
only one who could think of that.
Oh my god.
What are you talking about? I was gonna make that guy. Tonka, you crazy.
Hey. Listen.
Stop, collaborate, and listen.
I was gonna just call Metro.
Collaborate and listen.
Listen.
I mean, listen. Did you hear anything?
No, I know.
I mean, she's not gonna make any noises while she's sucking on some nut, you know?
Even nut butter.
Still.
Wiz, I haven't found that to be the case, Mike.
Sorry, sorry, machine said
Yeah,
sorry.
if I wasn't making any noise while I was eating this butter,
Nut
I
butter.
wouldn't be enjoying it, would I?
Yeah,
No.
exactly, Wiz.
Alright.
When you're enjoying it, you make a lot of noise. Okay.
Exactly.
So tasty. Like that?
Yo, did
Yeah,
this
exactly.
nut butter work? I mean peanut butter.
I'm done. I'm
I mean,
I am
calling it nut
deceived.
butter's not wrong.
It is nut butter.
No, it is.
It's earth nut butter.
Nice earthy
All
nut butter.
earth nuts, Mac.
Yo,
How many Martian nuts are you eating?
motion nuts. What are these motion nuts?
No, no, one of the other names for peanut is earth nut.
Yeah, nobody calls it that though.
Yo.
Who calls it that?
Are you D hiccup?
I am. They're gone.
Cool. Go kill people now.
You're welcome. Let's get it.
Well, technically, some Scandinavian countries did it, but they call it York nut.
Yeah, that's not earth.
Yeah, well, York is earth.
A spoonful of peanut butter really does work.
We can't go without a whiz. We need a whiz.
Oh, I totally forgot.
Whiz.
I
You
was-
need a whiz.
I was literally
Are you gonna join us now? You twat.
Oh, without it. Oh, what? Ah!
What? I'm sorry.
What did you say?
I'm sorry. I meant you
You
Twinkie.
stinky bastard! You stinky bastard!
You
All right.
wonderful individual.
What the fuck, dude? You show someone your ass and you think they love you or something, but nope.
Oh my
Fuck it
god.
Poor Wiz is like, I showed you my ass, please respond.
I showed you.
Too much spam in my diaphragm. Get the fuck out.
Ew.
You
Kind
eat
of
spam?
tasty though.
Spam in my diaphragm. You didn't
Yeah, you
spell
eat
it right,
spam?
but I know what you mean.
There's your first
Spam in a can?
Ooh, you
machine.
know what? Spam low key is actually really yummy.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you